Welcome. For creating new expense, click on New Expense button. In this window, select the account by which expense is done, for accounting purpose. Select the account or enter the name of account if it's new. Software will automatically create that account for you. Select the category. For example, we are adding office rent as expense for a March month. Add the total amount in numbers, select any date or software will select current date as default. Software can maintain records for asset and non-asset entries. You can categorize expenses with your own way or type. If you like to add any details to remember, add them in information box. Click on Add button to add the entry. In Notes, you can also add details about individual expense related to it. These details are only for yourself, they will not be calculated, only total amount will be considered for accounting. Debit box, add how much money you have paid to that amount that will be calculated for accounting and finding net balance of that account. We are taking other example of expense, like business marketing. Enter the agency or firm name, select category, enter details which you like to save, and click on Add to add the expense entry. It's very easy and fast. In Category box, you can add your own new category. Software will automatically save it for next entry. There are default expense categories that you can use as your business management works. These entries we have added are non-asset entries. We can add asset entries, like buying a land or place or house. Expense can be done by any account, like from purchase or sales, or new like we created. Expense is calculated separately for accounting. We will discuss the accounting calculation in details in another video. We can print the expenses in reporting. Expand Expenses and Assets window, select the report style, click on the report and click on Create Report. It will generate report for you, which can be exported to PDF, Word, Excel, or directly printed. As we see all the expenses with date are shown, you can group the expenses by account name. Expenses can also be grouped by title that you give, like you can give title with month, year, or office, or home, or any way you like to categorize your expenses easily. We will discuss accounting of purchase, sales, and expense accounts in next video.
Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.